Hello guys, now I will going to be show some basic CMD command. First of all, in run, write down CMD, then write down system.info. This command you will see this in your system, all information, computer name, you can see your host name, OS name, OS version, and system model, system type, your physical memory, and most useful information. And you can also see your network information also. Then another CMD command is tasklist. In this command, you can see how many tasks running in your system. Another command is shutdown. Is the most useful and command. And shutdown have a different types of command. Full shutdown, restart. If you want to fully shut down, then shutdown/s. If you want to restart this in your system, then shutdown/r. Then enter. Another command is ipconfig. If you want to see your system information, network information, then you can run ipconfig. Then here is show your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. Another CMD command is ping. In local area network, if you want to see or check someone active or not, or this IP active or not, you can ping this IP. Then you can find out this IP or PC active or not. Then I'm checking on IP address. But this one IP is active. That's why replying. Another way you can check this one also. You can cancel this command Control C. Another command is netstat. This command you see this how many port running in your system, and if you want to check your any port number block or something, then you can use this command. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment, press the bell icon.